In a world where digital currency is reshaping the financial landscape, setting up a cryptocurrency retirement account is your gateway to the future. At Davies Wealth Management, we see a surge in interest for crypto IRAs, blending high returns with tax benefits. But tread carefully. Understanding the mechanics and risks is crucial. Crypto IRAs let you invest in digital assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum, offering a modern twist on traditional retirement planning. Yet, with great potential, comes great volatility. The crypto market is notorious for its wild price swings and security challenges. Choosing the right custodian is key. Look for robust security measures and insurance coverage. Diversification remains vital. Balance your portfolio with established cryptocurrencies and promising altcoins. Remember, crypto should only be a small part of your retirement strategy. As regulations evolve, staying informed is essential. At Davies Wealth Management, we guide you through this complex terrain, helping you craft a strategy that aligns with your financial goals. Embrace the future of retirement planning with us.